Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is kind of like a tutorial. TikTok made me buy it, see if it's gonna work for me. So this video showed up the other day on my FYP, and it was this girl with really long hair, and she was showing this hair tutorial with this wand or wave curling iron, and I was like, instant add to cart moment. So I will link the video below in the description box. It is this one. And so basically I want to see if I can recreate what she does on short hair. Even though this is probably not considered short, I think it's really like medium length. But as most of you know, the Mamma Mia hairstyle isn't really big, and she does it really well. I don't think she called it that. She said that she was recreating something from her hairstylist. I will link the video below. Please go watch that for reference. But she had this, and she had one of these that she had got from Amazon. I did get mine from Amazon several years ago, I think in like 2020. I even did a TikTok on it. I will link it as well. It's from 2020, so, but it's this one, and you can go check that out. She used both these products, and I wanted to see if I could recreate it with short-ish hair. She had like super long hair, like I think she even had extensions, and so my hair is naturally wavy. Like this is natural, air dried, not brushed. If I brush it while it's wet, it never turns out. Like it just is really weird. It's like straight in some spots and wavy in the others. Also in her video, she mentioned that she had not like washed her hair in several days. I can't do that. My hair is super oily and my hair like turns super yellow and just looks like a grease ball if I do that. So this is freshly washed hair. Just washed it a few hours ago, let it air dry. And so yeah, I wanted to give these a try to see if my hair will look as good as hers with having short hair. So I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get into it. Okay, so let's get these guys plugged in, and I do have an outlet directly behind me, so that works out. This little skinny wand, I will link it below. It goes up to 410. So this one is plugged in, and if you can see right there, it says off. It's flashing off. The buttons are on the inside right here. If you can see right here, this is the heat level. You can up the level or you can lower the heat or temperature, not level, I'm sorry. This goes up to 430. So I do have a clip to pull up. This is just how she did it in the video, so I'm just going to try and stick to her video as much as possible. She did use products. I'm not going to use products unless I feel like I need it. I usually don't use a ton of products. My hair is so soft. It will literally get weighed down, so I can't use a ton of products in my hair. But here we go. Here's what the back looks like. And it just beeped, so I think it's ready to go. Okay, it is set on 430. Here we go. This looks really weird. Here we go. Oh my gosh, this thing is so big. Like, it's almost as big as my head. Watch my ear. I don't know how long you're supposed to hold it there for. Okay. Oh my gosh, this thing is like massive. Ow! Ow! It ripped my hair! What the heck? Oh my gosh. Let me see. Can you see my hair in there? What the heck? It's like right there. How did that even happen? Okay. Okay, there's the bottom. This is what the backside looks like. Okay, so with this, she went in like sporadically and did like little pieces about like this, if I can keep that separated, and lightly wrapped it. And then let it loose. Just, she said it, I think, adds volume, maybe some dimension, some dimension. I'm so scared I'm gonna burn my fingers. Okay, let's do some more of these. Okay, I don't know how this is going to turn out looking on me. Could end up looking like a poodle. Okay, let me do a couple in the back. Try not to burn myself. Okay. Here's the back right now with the tiny little curly cues. Now let's take this out and do the top. Crazy. And I have a tiny little cowlick right there, so let's see if I can work with that. She said to do it upside down in the front so that it's not, so that it doesn't flatten out the top of your head. Now, she had her video sped up, so I don't know how long you're supposed to hold it there for, so I'm just doing a couple seconds. Then cute. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna run my fingers lightly through it, and then I will go back with this little guy. Okay. Actually, let me go grab some hairspray. This is really cute. Give me 1 second. Okay. So I have to say, overall, I think this is so freaking cute. Just kind of run my fingers through it a little bit. She brushed hers out. I'm not going to do that. I'm the kid that had a bad experience with the perm as a kid and brushed it, and then it went poof like this. So I'm not gonna do that. But I am gonna run my fingers through it to kind of separate some of the curls. And I think I'm gonna have enough texture, which my hair is not as long as the girl in the video, and so she probably has a lot of like weight, and so it will naturally just like help it hold it down. Ooh, nuts. Okay, so cute. So cute. Let me turn around. Cute, right? Oh my gosh. So it's like how my hair was to begin with, only more. So I freaking love this. Let me do a little bit of hairspray. This is a level 4. I kind of feel like I need to like flip my head over upside down and spray that way. Spray from underneath. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. What do you think? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. I'm interested to know what you think. So if you've been on the fence about getting one of these, I'm gonna say go ahead and do it. I think it turned out amazing. And to be honest, I probably didn't need to use this one. I was just trying to replicate what she did. But I mean, I couldn't get the extra little curliness or waviness without the little guy. So I would say that these two tools together are a 10 out of 10 recommend. I will have them linked below. Now this one I did get in 2020, so I do not know if this specific one is still available. So if it is, I will link it. If not, I will find something similar. But this one is definitely still available. I just received this. It like came in like 3 or 4 days ago, like over the weekend. So I'm sure this one is still available. I will have them linked below. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of my hairstyle with this Mamma Mia hairstyle? Yeah, and that's it. I guess I will see you guys next time. Bye.